join my Key to Gold channel, subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to get the latest video update.
Question number 1. Which country has the longest range missile? Answer C. Russia. The R-36M is the world's longest range intercontinental ballistic missile with a range of 16,000 km. With a weight of 8.83, the R-36M is also the heaviest ICBM in the world. Question number 2. Which is fastest missile in world? Answer C. BrahMos. The name BrahMos is a portmanteau formed from the names of two rivers, the Brahmaputra of India and the Mosk of Russia. It is the world's fastest anti-ship cruise missile in operation. The missile travels at speed of Mach 2.8 to 3.0, which is being upgraded to Mach 5.0. Question number 3. Which is the first missile of India? Answer B. Prithvi. The Government of India launched the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program in 1983 to achieve self-sufficiency in the development and production of wide range of ballistic missiles, surface-to-air missiles, etc. Prithvi was the first missile to be developed under the program. Question number 4. Which countries have missile defense system? Answer D. All of these. Missile defense system are a type of missile defense intended to shield a country against incoming missiles such as intercontinental ballistic missiles or other ballistic missiles. The United States, Russia, India, France, Israel and China have all developed missile defense system. Question number 5. Which country doesn't have intercontinental ballistic missiles? Answer C. Pakistan. Russia, the United States, China, North Korea and India are the only countries currently known to possess land-based ICBMs. Israel has also tested ICBMs but is not open about actual deployment. Question number 6. Who is the father of Indian missile technology? Answer B. APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam, physicist known as the father of India's missile program, who also served as the country's president. Question number 7. Who is the missile woman of India? Answer C. Tessie Thomas. Tessie Thomas, born in 1963, is an Indian scientist and Director General of Aeronautical Systems and the former Project Director for Agni 4 missile in Defense Research and Development Organization. She is the first woman scientist to head a missile project in India. She is known as the Missile Woman of India. Question number 8. What is the range of the Helena missile? Answer C. 7 km. As per the defense source, the missile was test fired from HAL Rudra and 2 missiles succeeded in hitting the targets at a range of 7 km, while one reportedly missed the target. Question number 9. Which type of missile is NAG? Answer B. Anti-tank missile. NAG is a third generation fire and forget anti-tank missile developed in India. It is one of 5 missile systems developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization under the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program. Question number 10. Which is the longest range missile in India? Answer C. Agni 6. Agni 6 missile is likely to carry up to 10 MIRV warheads and will have a strike range of 8,000 km to 12,000 km, though DRDO has refused to confirm the missile's range. Question number 11. What is the speed of an intercontinental ballistic missile? Answer B. 6 to 7 km per second. An ICBM in ballistic flight constantly changes speed and altitude, so it's incorrect to think of a steady speed or altitude. A 2 or 3 stage booster burns for a few minutes and accelerates the payload to velocity of 6 to 7 km per second. Question number 12. What is the range of the tactical ballistic missile? Answer C. Between 150 to 300 km. Tactical ballistic missiles include ballistic missiles with a range of 300 km or less intended for battlefield use. They usually employ conventional warheads but often have the capability for chemical or biological warheads to be installed as well. Question number 13. The first anti-satellite missile was tested in which year? Answer A. In 1985. It was the first known successful satellite intercept test since 1985 when the United States conducted a similar anti-satellite missile test using an ASM-135 AS-80 to destroy the P-781 satellite. Question number 14. Shaheen-2 is the missile of which country? Answer C. Pakistan. The Shaheen-2 is designed and developed by NESCOM and the National Defence Complex of Pakistan. The Shaheen missile series is named after a falcon that lives in the mountains of Pakistan. It is suspected to be derivative of Chinese M18 missile, a two-stage missile based on the M9. Question number 15. Sagarika, also known by the code names A-15 or B-05, is a nuclear-capable submarine-launched ballistic missile with a range of Answer C. 750 km. Sagarika, also known by the code names K-15 or B-05, is a nuclear-capable submarine-launched ballistic missile with a range of 750 km. It belongs to K missile family and forms a part of India's nuclear triad and will provide retaliatory nuclear strike capability. Question number 16. The LGM-30 Minuteman is which country-based intercontinental ballistic missile? Answer B. US. The LGM-30 Minuteman is a US land-based intercontinental ballistic missile in service with the Air Force Global Strike Command. As of 2018, the LGM-30G Minuteman III version is the only land-based ICBM in service in the United States. Question number 17. The AIM-7 Sparrow is a medium-range semi-active radar homing air-to-air missile operated by which country's Air Force? Answer A. United States. The AIM-7 Sparrow is an American medium-range semi-active radar homing air-to-air missile operated by the United States Air Force, United States Navy and United States Marine Corps, as well as other various air forces and navies. Question number 18. The Dongfeng 41 is a solid-fueled road mobile intercontinental ballistic missile of which country? Answer C. China. The Dongfeng is a Chinese solid-fueled road mobile intercontinental ballistic missile. It has an operational range between 12,000 km to 15,000 km. This would make the DF-41 the world's longest range missile, surpassing the range of the US LGM-30 Minuteman, which has a reported range of 13,000 km. Question number 19. R-36 is a family of intercontinental ballistic missile and space launch vehicle designed by which country? Answer B. Russia. The R-36M is the world's longest range intercontinental ballistic missile with a range of 16,000 km. With a weight of 8.8, the R-36M is also the heaviest ICBM in the world. Question number 20. Which was the first ballistic missile in the world? Answer C. V2. A pioneer ballistic missile was the A4, commonly known as the V2 rocket developed by Nazi Germany in the 1930s and 1940s under the direction of Werner von Braun. Question number 21. Who was the first missile man of the world? Answer A. Tipu Sultan. 1798, Tipu Sultan, the king of the state of Mysore in India, develops and uses iron rockets against the British Army. 1801, the British Army develops the Congreve rocket based on weapons used against them by Tipu Sultan. Question number 22. A hypersonic speed cruise missile would travel at least dash the speed of sound. Answer B. 5 times. A hypersonic speed cruise missile would travel at least 5 times the speed of sound. BrahMos 2 is a hypersonic missile currently under development in India and Russia. High-speed strike weapon missile based on Boeing X-51. Question number 23. What is the range of missile Akash? Answer B. 30 km. Akash is a surface-to-air missile with an intercept range of 30 km. It has launch weight of 720 kg, a diameter of 35 cm and a length of 5.78 meters. Akash flies at a supersonic speed reaching around Mach 2.5. It can reach an altitude of 18 km and can be fired from both tracked and wheeled platforms. Question number 24. What is the range of Agni 5? Answer B. 5000 km. India's long-range surface-to-surface ballistic missile, Agni 5, the nuclear-capable intercontinental ballistic missile, has a strike range of 5000 km, which can cover most of China. Question number 25. Which country used the missile operationally in World War II? Answer C. Germany. The first missiles to be used operationally were a series of missiles developed by Nazi Germany in World War II. Question number 26. Dash is a long-range all-weather subsonic cruise missile designed and developed in India by the Defence Research and Development Organization. Answer A. Nirbhaya. Nirbhaya is a long-range all-weather subsonic cruise missile designed and developed in India by the Defence Research Development Organization. The missile can be launched from multiple platforms and is capable of carrying conventional and nuclear warheads. Question number 27. The Jericho-3 is the latest development of the Jericho ballistic missile family designed by which country? Answer C. Israel. Jericho-3 is a solid-fueled intermediate-range ballistic missile developed and produced by Israel to replace its older Jericho-2 ballistic missiles. Question number 28. How many anti-ballistic missiles India have? Answer C. 2. Question number 29. What is the type of the cruise missile? Answer B. Air-to-surface missile. Cruise missiles are designed to deliver a large warhead over long distance with high precision. Modern cruise missiles are capable of traveling at a supersonic or high subsonic speeds, are self-navigating and are able to fly on a non-ballistic extremely low altitude trajectory. Question number 30. When was the first V1 launched? Answer A. In 1944. Originally, the V1 had a maximum range of 150 miles, but this was improved to 250 miles to allow for it to be launched from Holland. About 10,500 were launched at Britain from June 9, 1944 on 8,800 by ramp and the rest by plane. The first one was first on June 13, 1944.
If you like this video, give a like to my video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.